Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body Benz. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today, we had to bring it again. We had to. But a little twist, and we'll tell you what the twist is when we finish showing you our outfit of the day. Our again. You want to show your outfit?
I shirt me up on.
When you see my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back.
All right, guys. So this is what we are feasting on today. We have some food with steamed fish, and I taught you guys what food is. So we have dumpling, banana, yam. That's it today.
Yeah.
Yes. The dumpling, banana, and yam. That's what we have today. And then we have some steamed fish, and the twist is it's not a whole fish.
Exactly.
It's steaks. It's cut up in steaks. So we have Jack, and then I have a piece of salmon. My husband made salmon for my son because Emma like fish were born, so made him a little salmon. So we want to taste. And then we have some plantains, and then we have some extra gravy. See how the gravy looks? That's with coconut oil. It's recording, honey?
Yeah, it's
recording.
okay. Sure. You go and chat and I start eating one.
Whatever. So we're gonna dig in.
So first day they give me 5 dumplings. Wow.
You know, this one I don't like when he comes on the camera and lie to you guys. You know, say I'm asked for 5 dumplings.
No, I'm never asked for 5. You give me 5. I
No,
no, more.
no.
I'm not eating right here.
Okay.
Don't start yet, please.
The pumpkin is my favorite part
Really?
because it sucks up all of the gravy. So when you the dumplings them tough.
You make good dumplings.
No, I mean like solid.
Yeah.
It'll stick to your bones.
She makes some good dumpling, man.
Hey, you know, so you can do this.
What? Dip. That's what you want to do. You beat me to it. All the greedy people know that, no? So you're one of them.
Whatever.
Man, I'm hungry. I was. Oh,
Hey, let me kiss.
yeah, my food.
Make it.
Let me eat some food first.
Alright.
Let me eat some food first.
Alright. Okay.
I didn't even sit down good here to eat some food.
I was going to tell you thank you for making such a good meal, but it's alright.
Oh, you know.
We don't want to kiss.
Alright, see what you
Okay.
say. Damn, I can't consume some food yet.
I couldn't wait. The fish is good, man.
Fish good. Fish are always good.
And the salmon is really good. Did you taste the salmon? You want to taste it? The salmon is good because the salmon is just like the pumpkin. It just absorbs all of the flavor.
Which is right.
Let me tell you something. If you guys think I'm lying or we're lying about how good this food is, you make a sad mistake.
Yeah, we'll see soon.
Oh, alright, drink some water.
Yeah.
If I get the hiccups.
Wow. This is my breakfast, guys.
Mine too.
Our breakfast.
First meal of the day.
First meal.
Only meal for me, but Mano said.
Later on, when everything's swoke up, show some crackers tonight. Yeah, man, show some crackers tonight, man. Beat with some white rice.
I don't understand how you always give me one piece of napkin. I keep on telling you that paper. Let me get some plantains before this guy.
Yeah, you go again with this. Alright, but me, yeah. No, you know why I eat none like them?
I be forgetting that they're there.
You know why I eat none? Wow. Right on the beard. Yes. It was worth the wait, huh? Wow.
So this one is a jack.
Yeah.
And the meat. That's how the meat looks. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe a smaller piece. That's how the meat looks.
So good it's falling off. Now focus.
Now focus.
But I see it, you know the meat look.
I can see it though. I'm sorry. I don't know why it's acting up.
Try to show.
Can't about to fix it. Yeah, can't about to fix that right now. I want to eat.
So what I did when I caught it, I cut in steaks. You know.
But what do you do first after you catch it? Especially with a jack. What do you have to do with a jack?
You have to make it. You have to bleed it.
Why?
Because the blood inside the blood like thick, and the meat will get like dark.
Oh, okay.
So you have to bleed it first.
Okay. And then you cut it up in steaks?
Yeah, cut up in steaks. You get more pieces. That's like any other fish. If you go to a store and buy a big snapper, they cut it up for you. You see the steaks, and that's how they do it.
You're right.
So I made my own steak.
Because the fish was that big. The jack was that big that
26 inches.
he had to cut it up in steaks. Had to.
Oh, they didn't see that video, huh?
You see how the yam looks? I wish this thing would focus. It's acting up.
Nice piece of yellow yam.
You want your yam to be dry. You don't want your yam to be all wetty.
Nice piece of yellow yam, that no?
It sure is.
I gotta hide my soda from myself and stop drinking soda.
Oh, it's so good.
Delicious.
So with a jack, the bone is big.
Very big.
So it's easy for someone who likes fish but don't really like bones. Let me see if this enough.
Yeah, man, your cats on this one. All that season, they know. You know that, no?
Wow. Wow.
That's the season there, right, girl.
Oh,
What?
perfect time to show them how we prepared this meal.
Go and show them what me I eat, man. Go
All
and
right,
show
guys,
them.
check it out. We'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is what we're making today. We have some salmon in here, and we also have some jacks sliced up in steaks. That's what we're cooking today. Catch of the day. And these are the ingredients that we are going to be using in the steamed fish. It was so good, my husband had to make it again. But this time we're going to use jacks and salmon. So the first ingredient you're going to need is coconut milk, coconut oil, and that's to saute the vegetables. If you want to use coconut oil, you can use something else. Black pepper, Everglades, adobo, seasoned salt, okra, yellow bell pepper, red and green. We like it colorful. You don't have to use all three. You can use one. And we have pumpkin. We have pumpkin flavored soup mix, a tomato. You know we love our plantains. And then we have a piece of yam. And then we have some green banana. And we are going to need some dumplings with this. And we'll show you guys how it looks when we put it together. Okay guys, this is how you want it to look. Nice and seasoned. You see how well seasoned that is? That's how you want it to look. And then this is the plantains that my husband cut in circles. And again, this is how you want your vegetables to look, just like this. And make sure you saute them, and then you add your fish. All right guys, are you ready for the end result? Ooh. Yes, Lord. Yes. Man, oh man, oh man. Now don't forget, after he sauteed the vegetable, he then added coconut milk and then let that cook for a little bit. And then he added the fish in the pot. And he added a little bit more water mixed in with the coconut milk. And we poured it in, and this is the end result. Just be patient, guys. It's almost done. Okay, guys, I hope you liked the video on how my husband prepared this delicious meal. And keep on subscribing. Because once we get to a certain amount of subscribers that we're wanting to get, we will select a lucky subscriber, and they will come and we will make them a meal of their choice that they've seen us eating before. So we can have somebody let you guys know
it's real.
That it's real. Okay?
Go down in it.
And don't forget, guys, watch the video as much as you can all the way through. I know you guys are busy. You guys have lives, and we appreciate you guys watching, even for 5 minutes. But go the extra and watch for another 5 more minutes. We're trying to get our watch time up. And you guys are the main ones, or the only ones that helps us. You guys help us, our subscribers. You guys help us.
Appreciate it.
We definitely appreciate it. You feel like send me a talk pure nonsense.
Y'all talk good thing, man.
Cool.
You can't go and talk. I mean, just tune in now and then. No?
So the difference between this fish and
What?
the steamed fish is, again, the bones is big and there's not so many bones. So you can really eat the fish and not have to worry about picking through the bones. Like I said, Jamaican people, we like that, you know?
Yep.
We like bones in our fish, but sometimes you just want to eat.
That's true. On big fish like that, the best way to do it is steaks it.
Steak it, yeah. Because
that fish couldn't fit right here in this table.
remember the 6-pound fish
McFeel.
you made for me? If you guys want to see that video, I'll link it in the description. It was 6 pounds. I ate as much as I could.
A big snapper. Then the rest came to me.
Now you don't have to wait.
I gotta wait now.
Well, you didn't really wait, but now you can eat with me. We can eat together.
Before I used to wait back then and say, damn, I can't wait till she finished. To get leftovers. But now, I don't gotta wait for leftovers. On her. Enjoying them all, y'all. Bad man.
Bad.
Bad man.
Bad to the bad.
Bad. My friend, don't they give me?
Yeah, I'll give you.
How much dumpling you take?
I think I took 3.
3 dumpling you take?
And normally I eat 1, so.
And a 5 you give me? I may have 2 left already? Something alright.
But I don't make my dumplings them big like you do. You make, he's a guy. Most guys make their dumplings big. Not all. I'm saying most guys, because they're greedy. And they figure the bigger the dumpling, then the quicker it cooks. And they can eat. Remember your...
Listen, you work on the plant in them door.
Yep, I'm hiding them.
Now watch you know. Girls are playing over there, headed in the cut, B.
So? Father-in-law, if you're watching, big up yourself.
You know what you can yum.
You can yum. When he sit there, he do? He ain't my kids the rice, not even cooked all the way. He eating it, huh? Man, tell all the business.
Chat all my business. I know you watching. I share chat your business. Yes.
What? You think I'm one of my dumpling, huh?
Yo. That pre, you know, look at me, I say, yo, no, you dumpling no moving up.
Yeah, man. I usually just eat like 1 dumpling.
And a 5 dumpling you give me, you know?
Hey, listen to me. They already know you're ready. Don't act stush. They already know that you can eat. Okay, it's okay.
Family, 5 dumpling. And she got only 2 dumpling.
I try cut the dumpling, you know?
Call me a strong night, man.
Strong. You guys had a good day today. In Florida, it's been raining a lot. It's the raining season in Florida.
Family, comment down, let me see where some of you are from. What do you think, First Lady?
Yes, we would love to know.
Mm-hmm.
We definitely want to know because, you know, so we're nosy.
Mm-hmm.
We want to know where you guys are from.
I see one person say from Canada.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
We hit 300, guys. Thank you so much, right?
Mm-hmm. Thank y'all. What? You see that? Family? That light almost chipped out.
That'll been the end of the video.
That power about to go.
No, sir.
Or premium, yeah?
Hey, you know I can't eat fast.
Yo, let's see the power when you come up.
No. No.
Mm-mm.
It's a good thing that we did the video early enough.
Good thing we do it. Cause when this power goes out over here, they come like they don't want to come out. All the dumpling, you come like me have to go eat the dumpling too, you know?
That means I said because I only eat one dumpling.
Which from my side? 7 dumpling. You know, you be making me look bad, yo.
No.
Family, she be making me look bad on camera, huh?
I usually only eat one dumpling, but I took more because I know.
7 freaking dumpling to blow. Girl, me mad on camera.
No, you got name the plantains, I mean.
You don't want no more.
I do. But you can eat them.
You eat the plantain?
No, eat the plantains, my love.
Eat the plantain. Plantain is baby food. Eat the baby food.
Eat the cake, anime effect. Eat the cake.
That from Love Basketball too?
What part of Jamaica are you from?
Same part you come from.
That is true. We grew up in Jamaica, literally a 5-minute drive from each other in Spanish Town.
Oh, we're related.
You ain't related.
We checked that out already.
You check it out already.
Too late now?
Wait, too late. No. 2 kids, 18 years later.
Too late now. Like 5 minutes from each other.
5 minutes. We're from Spanish Town, Jamaica. Damn, big up yourself. Where you from?
Wilmore.
Oh my God, wait a minute. My son might drop off.
What?
Hold on. You're trying to embarrass me on TV.
So you're natural.
I just have my braids underneath there anyway. No, it wouldn't be no big deal, but
Ain't no biggie.
you know, biggie. All those dumplings.
7 dumpling, 2 banana, 1 yam.
And you still gonna be done before me. No.
Family.
Honey, I eat slow.
This is funny. She only had 1 and a half a dumpling. I ate 7. And I'm still done my food before her. You believe that?
I eat slow. It always impresses me when I see the before
And then
the after.
we eat it. Don't play around. Feel me?
Don't play around with John Brown.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you new, make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe.
That's right.
Guys, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another video, another mukbang.
Mukbang. Chat too much, man. Bye. No, you can't chat, man.
Shit. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him.